Welcome to the exciting world of trading systems. If you're looking for a way to take your trading to the next level, then you've come to the right place. A trading system is a set of rules and guidelines that helps you make better trading decisions, based on data and analysis rather than emotions and guesswork. By using a trading system, you can increase your consistency, reduce your risk, and improve your overall trading performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, a well-designed trading system can help you achieve your financial goals and build long-term wealth. A successful trading system is built on a foundation of several key components that work together seamlessly to generate profitable trades. The first component is entry and exit rules, which dictate when a trader should enter or exit a trade based on specific market conditions. These rules are often based on technical indicators or other quantitative measures, and can be customized to suit individual trading styles and preferences. Another important component of a trading system is position sizing, which determines how much capital should be allocated to each trade. This is typically based on a trader's risk tolerance and overall portfolio objectives, and can be adjusted over time as market conditions change. Finally, effective risk management is critical to the success of any trading system, as it helps to minimize losses and protect capital in the event of adverse market movements. Designing your own trading system can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By following a few simple steps, you can create a system that is tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance. The first step is to identify your trading goals. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Do you prefer high-risk/high reward strategies or more conservative approaches? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can begin selecting the appropriate indicators and testing your system to ensure that it aligns with your objectives. Evaluating and refining your trading system is a critical step in achieving success. It's not enough to simply create a system and stick with it. You must constantly evaluate its performance and make necessary adjustments to ensure it remains effective. This requires a data-driven and analytical approach, using rigorous testing and evaluation to identify areas for improvement. One key aspect of evaluating your trading system is adapting to changing market conditions. The markets are constantly evolving, and what worked yesterday may not work today. By keeping a close eye on market trends and adjusting your system accordingly, you can stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge. One common mistake that traders make when designing a trading system is over-optimizing their strategy. This occurs when traders tweak their system to perform well on historical data, but fail to account for real-world market conditions. To avoid this pitfall, it's important to test your system on a variety of market conditions and use realistic assumptions. Another common mistake is failing to follow the rules of your system. Many traders fall into the trap of making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations, rather than sticking to their predefined entry and exit rules. To avoid this pitfall, it's important to develop discipline and follow your system consistently, even when it may be tempting to deviate from the plan. In summary, using Kaufman Constructs trading systems can bring a multitude of benefits to your trading. By following a systematic approach, you can increase consistency in your decision-making and reduce the impact of emotional biases. Additionally, implementing risk management strategies can help protect your capital and improve your overall returns. Through rigorous testing and evaluation, you can refine your system over time and adapt to changing market conditions. By avoiding common pitfalls and staying disciplined in your approach, you can achieve long-term success in the markets. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.